Oh, here's the aftermath of 4 days of non-stop rain. And our RV is completely soaked. The kids tried to make a path. When we did have some nice weather, the kids were outside playing and they started waking up the area, but we are flooded. This is just a little bit. It's actually dried up quite a bit. This is another reason why I've been posting in the last few days, besides my storage being full. Yeah, it's fun. We're in Hazen, Arkansas at Watensaw Hunting Camp. Mike Creek WMA. Oh, yes. But yeah, we're in Watensaw. We have water. A little adventure after our rain. Got the diesel heater going. Oh yeah. Hazen, Arkansas. Good morning. 7-something in the morning. We haven't slept much for the last 4 days. I had to sleep with that little turd on the bed up front. Daddy slept in the chair, but hopefully we have no more rain, huh? 4 days worth of rain. Are you over it, Gabby?
I don't know.
4 days worth of rain? You're not over it? I am. I'm sick of sleeping with Gabby. Sharing a bed with Gabby. But yeah.